So today we got a stud on a GM head sticking out. Get to see one of my Lyle extractors in use. These are the ones you have to hammer on, but when you hammer them on, it usually takes them out or breaks them. You gotta have the swinging room though. That's the only problem with these. You gotta be able to swing a hammer. But if you can hammer them on, they take them out or break them. As long as the threads haven't been rolled over too much from using vice grips and stuff. But fresh threads, these hammer on nice. Don't get no easier than that. You get a kit of these from, like I showed in one of my other videos. I think they go from like 6 mil all the way up to 12 mil by Lizzle or Lyle, however you want to pronounce that company's name. Maybe if somebody knows how to pronounce that name, leave a comment. And that was a short one. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. On the same cylinder head, mechanic broke a intake bolt going in right there. So it broke going in. It shouldn't take too much to take out. Give it a little bit of a bowl. Start drilling. 1/8. It's a 6 mil bolt. So that's not gonna work. It shouldn't be in there that tight if it broke going in. I'm sure my extractor is gonna spin it out. That should be far enough. So I'm gonna tap the 1/8 extractor in. See if it moves. Yeah, it's usually the case. When they break going in, they usually don't cement themselves in there. Fresh. So if you ever break a bolt going in, no need to panic. It's probably not in too tight unless you cross-threaded it. That's an intake bolt, 6 mil on a Chevy LS head. Feel free to check out my other videos and hit the subscribe, and we'll see you.